Welcome to Astrology for Beginners. Most advanced users are welcome, but you guys already know this. But what you want to do is, how do you heard me say natal chart. So really it's when you're born, including the time, date of birth, you want to be able to find out where all the planets and stars and asteroids were on the exact time you were born, because each planet, star and asteroid are like energies, and that affects your personality, and that's the proper way of analyzing seeing someone if it's compatible with you. But again, you don't want to have someone that's compatible based on that, because you're going to miss out on a lot of lessons to be learned. Sometimes someone is not compatible with you, but is a great soulmate, and you can learn great information from this and learn lots of lessons. So what you want to open up is a browser here. I have Microsoft Bing. You can use Google Chrome, any browser you want, and you click on Astrodienst, 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 and you click on search, and it will be the first. Sorry, that's in Spanish. Okay, and once you type it in my case, it's the first one that opens up, maybe because I've clicked it on it often. But what you want to do is all free horoscope at Astrodienst. The logo looks like that, a sun with a blue banner in between. And the actual website, if you have difficulty finding this here, is www.astro.com/horoscope. You want to click on that link. It will bring you to the web page. It says astro.com, Astrodienst, the star, and Astrodienst in the middle, and it says all free horoscopes. So you want to click in below, and like right at the first part where it says chart drawings, you have chart drawing ascendant, extended, and ephemeris. You want to click on the first one, chart drawing ascendant. Once you click on that, you'll see the chart here. It brings you to the web page, and you want to get, in this case, because I already logged in, so I'll use another browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So I'll try it again so you can see how you get it. So I'm going to try this on Google.com. So Astrodienst, Trodinst. Okay, you see Astrodienst, astro.com. You see that word, you can click on it. It's not clicking. Try a second one. Page is a bit slow. Okay. So you see free astrology chart, and then welcome to astro.com. You want to log in, create a new profile, and if you have one, if not, to create a profile, you go to enter birth date. There's privacy information. You say accept. You read the information, accept. You want to put your full name. So I'm Antoine Assad, and they ask you for the gender, for your birth date, put the year. So I'm going to just play around, put different kind of information. Now this is very important, the hour you're born. Most people don't know what time they're born. You can ask your mother or father. Most of that information is found on the birth certificate. Or if they don't have it, you can call the hospital you were born at. They may have some files on that. You can Google search how to other ways of obtaining that information, but most likely it's the hospital. So for example, if you're born, if you don't know, you can put unknown. If you're born in the morning, so you have 0, 1 to 12, noon. If you don't know, it's best to put noon. Like this, you're 50% chance. If your mother is not sure, if it's not, or she recollects you were born at night, you can say, like, is it late at night, like is it past midnight, or is it past 6 p.m. You can guess it that way. But I'm gonna give you another course later on how to more precisely know what time you're born. But for those who are not sure, like, just put noon, and the country you're born. So let's say you're born in Canada, and then you want to say, for example, there are two cities nearby to each other, 1 hour away. One is Montreal, another one is Laval. So someone can be born in Montreal because she had to deliver the baby, like, in Montreal, because it happened at that time when she's in Montreal. So the hospital that she was delivered, that's what you want to enter, the hospital. But if that person actually lives in Laval and she's just delivered in Montreal, you don't want to put Laval, because even though that's where she lives, you want to know what time and what space, which area this baby was born. So in this case, you'll put Montreal, because you don't want to say where after the first day or second day that was held in the hospital. You don't want to say Laval, because it has to be the hospital that you were born and not the house that you're in. So you can be born, some people are born and delivered in the same house, or a hospital that's nearby in the same city. But for those complicated cases where the city was different when you were born and where you actually reside, you want to put the city. So in this case, we'll put Montreal, and we'll click on continue. We'll keep the default settings. There was a privacy information here that you can read. You have to say and agree. The place, so that was Montreal. So this different type Montreal, let's say it was this area. Shows you a bit of the area code, and you click on continue. So for example, in this case, Antoine Assad was born in 19th of December. You want to verify that information, 12 p.m., because we were not sure what time you were born. Montreal Est, and then postal code. Review that information. It tells you here's the natal chart. Looks like that. There's an outer ring with an other inner ring. This you're probably familiar. These are the zodiac signs: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. All the fire signs is red, so Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo, it's a fire sign. All the earth signs is green, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. All the air sign is orange, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and the water sign is blue, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Now you also have it here on the left side where it shows you the sun, because you may know, we all know how the sun and moon look like. So the sun, the circle here with a dot in the middle, and then you see it says it here in Sagittarius. So on the chart you see the sun, you look for it there, sun in Sagittarius. The moon is in Gemini, so you look at the moon, it is just entered Gemini. Mercury, if you don't know how the sign is, you look in this chart, you see it looks like this, Mercury, and then you go into look for the identical, there it is, and that is in Sagittarius. Venus looks like that, it's in Sagittarius, so look for Venus. There, did I miss Venus? Venus. There it is in Sagittarius. Mars looks like this. It's in Capricorn. Mars in Capricorn. Jupiter in Libra. Jupiter looks like this. Jupiter is right here in Libra. Saturn in Libra. So Saturn in Libra. Uranus looks like this. Uranus in Scorpio. Neptune in Sagittarius. Neptune looks like that. right here in Sagittarius. Pluto in Libra. Pluto in Libra. True North in Leo. True North in Leo. So when I say true North in a few videos, the upcoming videos, the North, the opposite, the South, is just the opposite. There are 6 houses below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 11th in the South. The North is in the 5th. And Chiron looks like that. It is right here in Taurus. So you can use both to see how the planets are. So remember, when someone asks you what is your zodiac sign, in this case, the zodiac sign, a person will say, I'm Sagittarius, because the zodiac sign is based on, as we know it, on the sun. So Sagittarius. But you can see this individual has 1, 2, 3, 4 planets. So this is a very strong Sagittarius. This is not really me, because the time I just modified it. So it's an extreme Sagittarius profile.